All right, guys, good afternoon. Our project today is fixing the canopy. Canopy give us a shade when we're fishing, and it was really bad shape. So we decided to take it off and fix whatever was broken. Is ready. It's ready to install now. So we're going to install it. Need a screwdriver from here. This is some poor man fishing style. Oh, I have to say poor man fixing style.
We was after you. Hey, look at this boat. Yeah. Hey, let's walk over.
You guys having fun around?
Yeah. That's money. Papi, did you make this fridge? There's a fridge. There's a candle.
He's getting the boat ready because kids want to go fishing, so
A candle.
it was a big problem for us. It's very hot outside, so you need the shade. So here we are fixing it. All right, it looks good now. Before, this line was white and all broken, so making new stuff in here. Let's see. Nice in there. You probably need to do some adjustment in here. All right, this canopy, I'm gonna keep it like that for a while because I'm planning to do I'll switch everything for the T-top. So in the meantime, we think I'll use the old tent or the old canopy. It was in bad shape, but it's good now. Let's see. Let's start the front part. How you like it so far? It's good. There you go. See how they look with the blue thing? The part is adjustable now, so you can adjust that thing in there. There you go. Look at that, Louis. Ooh, baby.
It's
man.
fine to go fishing today.
Yeah, it's a poor man fixing style. Yeah. See, guys, right here. Put a new line, blue, because bottom part of the boat is blue. It's another project we got. We got to fix the bottom. I'll paint the bottom again.
Dad, you come tell
This
me.
is how it look like now.
You come tell me
Blue
when
canopy.
we're going fishing, okay?
Yes, sir. This is how they will look like now. It was good. Before, that part right there was broken. It was, like I said, the rubber was very bad, and this thing is falling apart everywhere now. It's nice and tight. Look like it don't go anywhere, and it looks straight and tight. Yeah. Oh yeah. We ready to go fishing, I guess. beautiful outside, man. I wish I can go fishing. So, like all the videos we make, we're gonna do stuff like that, like projects, you know, like poor man projects. You can fix stuff, you know, without no wasting like big money like crazy, and you have time to get a beer.
I thought you might be a little thirsty.
Yes, sir. It's time. Like, you have to celebrate now. The canopy look good. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my videos. I promise next video we're gonna make we're gonna go fishing and catch and cook. I'm very up for sheephead or mangrove snapper. All right, so
Something up here.
yeah, I'm fixing the boat. It's my little one, Sophia. Sophia, say hi.
Hi. Can you get a boat?
She's her brother, her friend, and there you go. You look good there. You ready to go fishing?
Say hi. Hi. Hi.
All right, it's nothing better than that, guys. Making project with the kids at home. All right, thank you for watching one more time, and please subscribe my videos. Help me out with that, and we're gonna make a lot of more good videos. I promise. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.